Excel Module 4, Working with Charts. This is the visual workshop exercise, so go ahead and open 4-5, your worksheet. Now for this one, this is being submitted through Blackboard, so you're welcome to make any additions or highlighting or special effects that you'd like. They're requesting two separate charts, a pie chart for the personal information and a clustered column chart for the business. So I'll do the pie chart first, and remember the pie chart is only one value, so it's only the totals. Select the items in column A, just hold and drag, and then to select the totals over here, hold Control and select the three totals, and then click Insert. And I know I'm going with pie chart, and I'm going to select 3D. You can choose, I think the book used 2D, but that's fine. And I'm just moving it over slightly. I'll be using column F later. So before you do any word art or anything within your chart, if you want to go to the quick layout and pick a different style, I like the layout 4 because it gives the name as well as the value, the dollar amount, or if you rather percentages, you can choose layout 2. Do that first. And the layout that I chose does not have a chart title layout, so if I go back to a different one, it shows it, so you could go with that one. But I just want to show you how do you get a chart title if it doesn't have it. So what you would do is you would click the chart element button and then choose chart title. And the chart title is going to be in Word Art, so I'm going to click Format, and Word Art, you can select anything you'd like, and then it's personal, and then check mark. And if you'd like, you can make the font larger. And also in design, if you wanted to not design, format, if you wanted to put a different shading around it, you could do that as well. If you wanted to go into shape effects and maybe add a shadow, or in shape effects and maybe a glow, you're welcome to do anything you'd like. Then they want you to have an explosion on life, so if you click the pie charts, it selects all three pies. If you click life again, it selects just that one, and then you would right click and choose format data point, so you get the window pane open on the left hand side. And the explosion, the book is asking for 30%, and then you can just close out of here and you'll get it 30%. And it doesn't show a legend, so if you'd like a legend, you can click the chart element button again and then put a check mark next to legend, so you have it here. And the legend, if it's small, you can also just select it and increase the size of the legend. And you can also go into, if you wanted to add some type of shading around the legend, you can do that as well. So that's your pie chart, so we'll leave that there. The next thing we'll do is that clustered column, so you'll select everything from A9 all the way to D11, but do not take the total for the clustered column, because of course the total clustered column bars would be all very high because they're the total of them. So choose Insert, and I'm going to go right into Insert Column or Bar Chart, and I'm going to go to 3D. Now I'm just going to move this underneath. And again, the chart title, if before you decide to change anything here, you probably want to make sure that you like the layout of it right now. So if you noticed, we selected, there's a range selected, but for some reason the months are not coming up. January, February, March. So what we need to do is go to Chart Design and go to Select Data. And so right now we want to edit the series, which is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to click Edit. And what I want to select are the 3 months, January, February, March. And then click OK. So now instead of 1, 2, 3, I'll have January, February, March. Click OK. And there you have it. So if you'd like to change the chart's the quick layout, if you wanted to change that, or if you want to change the any of the styles, you're welcome to choose anything you'd like. And again, the title is word art. The book had a certain one, but you could choose in format anything you'd like. And this one's going to be called business. And check. And if you want to make it larger, you can. Whoops. Select it first. And you can change the, if you wanted to add a new format, if you wanted to add shape styles, you can do that as well. All right, so now I need column F, so I'm just going to move both clustered column and pie chart over to G. So click in F5, and one will have a spark line and one will have a column line based on the January, February, but not including the total. So I would select Insert, and we're doing the line first, the spark line, and the range is B5 through D5. Notice I did not take total, and then click OK, and there you have your lines. I usually choose markers so that I get to see a marker for each of where the 3 January, February, and March are. And then if you want to go into styles and pick a different selection, you can do that as well. And then fill handle. Then click in F9, and this is going to have, instead of the spark line, it's going to have a column. So go ahead and select column, and the range again is only B9 through D9, and OK. And if you wanted to select a different coloring range, you're welcome to do that. And then go ahead and fill handle. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.